Okay guys, here's the solution for the second example. Y is equal to cosine 4 minus 2x minus 2. The first this is the part of the graph of cosine function between for the values of x between 0 and 2 pi, and you know that. And after that we have to change the x with minus 2x. We have to draw the minus 2x. That you know that from the previous term, when we multiply the x with a negative number, the graph of the function is reflected with respect to yx. Yeah, this graph is reflected with respect to y-axis. Yeah, flipped to here, for example, and then we have to multiply that graph with 2. That means the graph must shrink. Yeah, in horizontal position. Yeah? Shrink here. That means this point 2 pi is reflected with respect to y. It will be minus 2 pi, and it's shrink it to what? Minus pi. That means we have to divide this 2 pi by 2. We'll have minus pi. Okay, then in the third we have to change the x with x minus 2, so this one will be equal to 4 minus 2x. Now that means we have to when we change x with x minus 2, the graph is shifted to the right side, to the positive. Now this point is minus pi, that means minus 3.14. If this point is shifted to the right side for 2 points, here this point have to shift to the minus 1.14. The x-axis of this point, when it's shifted, that will be minus 1.14. Minus 3.14 minus 2 is minus 1.14. After that we have to subtract 2 from the right side. That means the graph is shifted to the left side, shifted to the downwards. Yeah. Now then we will have this picture. Yeah, this is the graph of our function. Yeah. Now you can, for example, this point is firstly when we change x with x minus 2, it's shifted. This is minus 3.14. The x-axis of this point is shifted to the minus 1.14, and after that, when we subtract 2 minus 2 from this point, the y-coordinate of this point is 1, and that one is shifted to the when we subtract minus 2, shifted to the minus 1. That means this is the point, this point which is transformed to here. Yeah. Now I think that this one is easy. The next lesson, we are going to solve examples for the transformation of cosine and sine functions.